Hello friends, it's me, Tony Z. I am here today to unbox the ChangM LED floodlights. So, let's just get right to it. I'm going to open up this box here. And, well, it's packaged nicely in there. I'm going to dump it out, because that's how Tony Z rolls. Oh, it's all in this bag. Okay, we got some foamy things and some lighty things and another foamy thing. Okay, well that was pretty simple. 1 floodlight, 2 floodlights. Okay, I guess that's pretty damn simple. From here I am going to read the directions and set it up, and you can all follow along with me. Okay, to set up your smart light, the first thing you have to do is download the Smart Life app, which you can find the QR code or in the Google Play or Apple, whatever the hell. Then, once you get that all loaded up, installed on your phone, plug the light in 3 times, or turn it on and off if you have a switch. If it's slow blinking, that's not what you want. So do it again. There we go. Fast blinking. Click Add a Device. Go to Lighting. Go down to Panel Light. Type in all your Wi-Fi stuff there. Click Next. Confirm that we're fast blinking. Yes. Click Next. And then you wait, you drink a beer, smoke a spliff. And we've added a light successfully, yay! Now we can do all kinds of fun stuff. You change the color. Ooh. Change the brightness of it.
Use that in a D&D campaign.
Yeah, you could use it in a D&D campaign. Whatever. If you want that soft, earthy tone, well, you got it, buddy. Okay, now let's link it to Alexa. In your Alexa app, make sure that you've activated the Smart Life app in your skills section. Once this is activated, you can add a new device. We'll add a device. Add a device. A light. Other. Discover devices. Two devices found. Oh my god, what are they? Smart light. Add your light to a group. Skip. Smart light is ready to use. Okay, now what? Lights. Smart light. Power's off. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Okay, now here's the real test. What should we name it? Should we name it Grant?
Yes. That's a good name.
Grant. Okay.
Grant light.
Alexa, turn off Grant.
I'm so not turned on right now.
Alexa, turn on Grant.
Woohoo!
What color do you want to be?
Green.
Alexa, turn Grant green. Oh yeah, we did it. Simple, easy. That's how you do it. Okay. Give me a thumbs up and a like, and send me a postcard from wherever you live. if you like this video. Bye-bye. Say bye, Green.
Bye.
Say bye, Keek.
Don't touch me.